Warm greetings, my dears. Welcome back to the channel where we talk about communication and relationship building. Today is all about manners and etiquette. We all know the old saying that manners matter and that manners make the man. Why do we say so? Well, having good manners means presenting yourself in the best way. I always say, if you know or have something, it's your choice whether or not to use it. But when you don't know or don't have something and you really need it right now, there may be a problem. At business meetings, important negotiations, romantic get-togethers, getting acquainted with the parents of your boyfriend or girlfriend, outdoors or in public transportation, your manners speak louder than any words. One of the most important elements of etiquette is knowing how to properly greet someone and introduce yourself. A good greeting can show how courteous you are and help to put your audience at ease. Think about this with my opening greeting. How does it make you feel? I hope it helps you relax and shows that I just want to have a casual conversation. After the greeting comes the introduction. The rules of introducing yourself in a social and business environment are not that different. This includes introducing younger people to older people, lower status to higher status, guests to hosts, business owners to clients, and yes, even men to women. Keep in mind, in professional business settings, gender does not matter. Another thing that I'd like to emphasize is how to shake hands. When introduced to each other, people usually shake their hands. And there are a few rules for this. A handshake is a sign of goodwill and a reduction in distance. In effect, we are inviting a person into a nearby zone, which is the distance of the outstretched hand, and establishing close contact without words. Now, the rules. Generally speaking, one's status or age seniority would typically suggest they initiate a handshake. But today's society does not put much emphasis on this. Handshakes are something that transcend race or age or gender. Not responding to a handshake is considered insulting. In a situation where there is a group of people and you shake hands with someone, remember also to shake hands with the rest of the attendees and avoid embarrassment. Also, while shaking hands, observe the rule of the golden middle. Displaying heroic strength is not necessary, especially when shaking a woman's hand. However, a weak handshake is hardly considered a greeting. Knowing how to greet and introduce yourself is a key aspect to starting any conversation. However, this is just a fraction of all the rules and regulations that go into etiquette. To learn more, click on the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe and, as always, communicate, connect, and prosper. Before saying goodbye, I would like to ask you, overall, do you consider etiquette important, or it's something that is old-fashioned? I would be thankful to hear your thoughts in comments. Have a great day and look forward to seeing you again and to your feedback as well.